meditate on the word day and night until I excel. It's like I'm in a cage fight, no time to waste. When lambs become lions, I'm walking in the spirit where there's no fear of dying. Imagine that, belt fastened in the back. Lord, take the wheel, now I'm first on the track. Lord, set the sail, now I'm trying to roll with him. Give him my position, cause there's no control in him. My team winning, praise him through the good and bad. Cinnamon and the venom. In him I increase like dinner. My king living, R.I.P. John Lennon. Word, both son went solo. No need to hate, and no Yoko Ono. Bitch needs son she, I'm finna dip. I'm picking up speed like it's Tokyo Drift. On your mark, get ready, get set. Race to the finish, please don't get left. Saved by grace, cleansed by the blood. Through the will of God, now that's a real thug. Yup, different. Yup, different. On your mark, get ready, get set. To the finish, please don't get left. Yup, different. Yup, different. Get ready, get set. Race to the finish, please don't get left.
I don't even think that your boy is human. So imported like I'm a Cuban. Missile crisis when I recite this poetry on various mic devices. Selling at the auction, they say what my price is, but I don't budge since I am priceless. What my worth be infinity, even when they retire my jersey. 2-4 on the back like a Lower Marion. I'm high in these ranks like a Caucasian. I said it differently cause I'm so different. I am to great what shy is to timid. So many styles they call me schizo. You're just a photocopy Kinko. Your best song is just my intro. Ferrari flow but your heart's a Pinto. Frankly I'd rather listen to your instrumental, cause your words are meant for the past and I just fast forward to a place where the people are dying for truth. So different, G-Go so different. Different.
On your mark, get ready, get set. To the finish, please don't get left. Different. Different. Get ready, get set. Race to the finish, please don't get left.
Mother, father, sister, brother, I am in this world undercover. Nobody can see me unless he lets them. Nobody can touch me, the strength of 10 men. And haters wanna finish what the devil has started, but my flesh is gone and my soul has departed. Flying through woods, yes I got the goods. To the countryside, to the neighborhoods. A beast with the pen, cause the monster's deep within. And I'm worried that I'll never have enough oxygen to finish what I started and to come up with the product that will revolutionize the whole world with my startup. Hello, I am a sinner, but that's not the area where we differ. One day I'll reside out in the boonies, but for now I'll keep on Trayvon's hoodies.
Yup, different. Yup, different. On your mark, get ready, get set. To the finish, please don't get left. Yup, different. Yup, different. Get ready, get set. Race to the finish, please don't get left. Yes, different with intent, no limits on purpose, and I'm literally fixed. Made, get out the way real quick. Stay away from Harv Dent's Two-Face, 50 cents. Like a pimp, get rich or die trying, but I'm already wealthy and a man who died crying. Forgive them, Father, for they know not what they do. I like my soul renewed, very little blues. Hands on a 10 and 2 with a couple tunes. Yes, some sun-rolled joints and some good news. Feeling like a king's kid, what to do. Contracts with a nigga and a suit and do. Season, but a covenant persists beyond reason. That's why I love Jesus. I don't need another reason, I'm breathing. And His grace I'm receiving. Cause dang, my white tee got stained. First Eve ate the apple, then April got slain. Cocaine, live by the gun, then you die by the pain. Live by the sword, and you'll never see the grave. Everything's different, nothing is the same. Whole new vision shining like my new chain. Dynamite type power blowing up like butane. Blah, you'll see different. Yup, different. On your mark, get ready, get set. To the finish, please don't get left. Yup, different. Yup, different. Get ready, get set. Race to the finish, please don't get left.